So we always put this notice on the wall.
Yes, on the.
To show that we are doing refurbishing.
Yes.
Okay, great.
We have our phone number.
Just to let everybody know, like, how to contact you. Yeah. So that's a wall here. 呢度有個牆嘅本身，咁我哋已經拆咗個牆啦。Okay, this is the wall that is being removed, right? Okay, cool. Yeah, it's
Actually, in this wall, we have kitchen, living room. Both
Kitchen.
rooms were closed.
Yeah.
And
廚房喺呢
have a social environment combined.
度。Okay.
Yes.
開放型
This is a social bathroom. Here.
洗手間會裝喺呢度。It looks neat, yeah. It looks tidy at least.
With my facilities, with my bedroom.
And here, the floor will be a new floor, not the
新嘅地板。
not the existing wood.
Oh, okay, but here is
It's ceramic.
it good, still going to keep the floor,
Yes.
the parquet floor?
Since that space, we will keep the floor. We will have a new door for the private spaces. The bathroom.
Okay, cool. 新嘅門。Okay. And this is going to be the living room, right?
Yes, originally.
呢個係客廳，全部開放式。
Being the living room,
Yeah.
dinner area, kitchen.
呢個係飯廳。
This is a technical plan with all installations.
Basically, we will have
Island.
here. We'll work also as a table to have the quick meal.
And this is like a built-in, yeah, that is fixed to the wall.
Yes,
Yes,
correctly,
yes.
correctly. Living room, dinner area.
Oh,
Much
living
more
room
wider.
here instead. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. I was expecting dinner area here.
Oh, but it can be combined
Yeah,
because
cool.
here we can change because both environments are suitable to change the furniture decoration. And
Yeah,
all
you
the
got
layout.
room for a table for four. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
The TV here. We will need the sofa here, and you don't pass.
Okay, I understand.
So
Yeah,
easily.
sure. Yeah.
But I can also install a point for TV here.
Yeah.
This is a technical cabinet. Okay. Here.
So all the pipes has been changed.
This is a social bathroom. Yes, this one.
With the tiles and everything.
呢個係
So here we have lights in the ceilings, the false ceilings.
會假天花。
But here we don't will have false ceiling because we want the a big height.
呢度咧就冇假天花嘅。
Yeah.
So where is the false ceiling? Sorry.
No, not yet.
Not
we
yet.
are
Going
we
to
are
be.
installing now the
Here.
electricity
個假
system
天花就喺
and
呢
water system.
度。個水嘅。This is the water system.
Yeah.
水喉喺呢度。
We have already installed
Everything.
The socket.
appliances.
Yeah.
Was
The socket is going to be there. Yeah.
installation made up.
But I think that it's good to change also the door, but we will paint. But
道門將會油咯，但係冇唔夠budget 咧去換個新嘅門，但係將啲窗咧係會換嘅，啲窗將會換。Hi，呢位係我哋嘅建築女士，係幫我哋所有客人咧設計佢哋嘅裝修嘅。我哋之前咧係訪問過佢嘅，之前有一集咧，我同啲小朋友咧帶住佢一齊去睇裝修嘅。咁我哋依家咧就係做緊一個progress report，就俾我哋嘅客人。咁我哋依家係第一期嚇，啱啱裝修嘅程序第一。Yeah, phase one.
All the walls we want to grow.
Yeah.
Now we are doing the new installation of electricity and water systems.
And we're going to install new sewage pipes as well?
Yes.
Yes.
Everything is new.
Everything new?
You
Yeah.
can check already because
Yeah.
the works are already in progress.
Okay, great. Did the client request like gas installed in the apartment? No.
No.
Just electric and water, right?
Yes.
咁咧個客人咧係冇要求話要換煤氣嘅，咁我哋咧將會咧即係將啲電啦同埋水咧同埋所有嘅即係廢物 喉咧都會換嘅。呢個咧係之前嗰個設計。
So this storage area was demolished.
Uh-huh.
This wall also demolished to create this.
本身咧呢度咧係一個儲物室嚟嘅，咁已經係咧將個牆拆咗。And then here there's a wall here, isn't it?
Yes, there was an old
Yeah，
wall
呢度咧個牆咧係伸到嚟咁呢度前面遮住晒。Yeah, I remember now.
And now
I
it's much more
actually,
much more bright.
yeah, I think we came to the renovation report with Patricia with the kids.
Yes, that's it.
Yeah, I remember that. Yeah. Yeah， 咁之前咧，我有個係影過咧嚟
So the
點樣樣
cabinets
設
will be
計。
installed over there.
咁咧係將會呢度咧成個牆都係
Cabinets forming an island here.
有櫃嘅。咁呢度咧有一個 island， 可以我嚟食嘢或者係早餐。And all new windows, right, to be installed. I believe so. Patricia just said
Yes, double glass
window.
Will be installed in the second phase.
全部係雙層嘅玻璃窗會。我哋對面咧有個中學，對面咧有個中學。呢個係污水處理喉，呢個喺浴室度啦。咁呢家咧就係，so the bath is going to be on the right hand side。
Yeah.
呢個係個浴
It's a shower.
缸，
It's a shower.
yeah。
And we
Opo.
will have here a wash
企浴就
basin.
喺右手邊，左邊咧將會係
And not in that position, but like this.
個
the
廁所咧
center
係會唔係咁樣企係
Yeah.
打橫嚟嘅。咁呢度係會一個星盤啦。咁底下嗰啲污水處理咧已經擺咗啦，落咗個喉度啦。咁之前咧我哋係有啲漏水嘅，因為係樓上咧佢哋浴室流嘅。咁樓上嘅鄰居咧已經將佢處理咗啦，即係將佢停咗個漏水嘅問題咯嚇。咁你睇到咧呢啲喉咧，佢哋已經換晒。呢個係有個長嘅 support 喎。
Assim que chegarem a este lado, vou tirar fotos connection
Yep,
from
yep.
the bathtub
Yeah.
and poor ventilation.
Yes,
These black stains
yes.
are fungi from a poor ventilation because these small spaces have to
There's
be,
no window.
yeah,
Yeah，
have to be ventilated.
因為冇
So
窗
we
冇
are
剩啦。
installing a mechanical one.
咁我哋依家會俾
the
OK
ventilation，
會整個抽氣扇咯，係電動嘅抽氣扇。咁但係之前咧，佢因為咁樣有毛咧，係因為冇得通風啦，一來同埋樓上咧有少少漏水嘅問題。
Ah, yeah.
呢度係個走廊都有個
The biggest bedroom with a
Uh-huh.
very large
最大嘅
wardrobe.
客廳，唔係 sorry 最大嘅睡房。So you have like a support
Yeah.
Here.
This is new
呢
to
全部新。
fix the wardrobe.
哦，
The
去擺
wood
個
frame.
衣櫃喺入邊咧，佢就有個咁嘅 support。So how big is the wardrobe? Because
It's all this large. It's since here to there.
but it is not very wide.
It's the 60 centimeters.
It's wide enough for a hanger, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. 60
Yes.
cm 將會係拉嘅門咯，唔係趟門。咁我哋而家睇，so is all this window going to be changed here?
Yes, this one, because this one we will remove to
Mm-hmm.
have a balcony again.
呢度咧係全部拆咗佢。咁 so how do we make a balcony? You're going to make a wall here?
No, we have original in the
Steel frame?
Yes,
Mhm.
here.
哦
We will remove the windows and paint again. This,
，OK，
and we have more freedom.
即係呢啲會拆咗佢，咁啊保持住原有嘅鐵架，咁好似對面咁咯，對面個露台咧將佢打開咯，然之後又有咯。
Use a double bed. Okay, because if we want to use a double bed in this bedroom, we need that wall a line.
Okay,
No?
so yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
So
將
this arch here is
Yeah,
this, is it going to be a
gotcha.
built-in cupboard or?
A wardrobe.
Wardrobe.
Yeah. Yeah.
呢度搞牆咯，咁佢會將佢個牆咧，將佢平衡翻喺呢度。咁咧呢個牆就可以擺一個雙人床咯，將佢如果平衡咗嚇，將佢 yeah like a false wall yeah。
To make the same
Alignment.
the same plan, the same level, and
呢度咧係俾擺
冷
氣嘅
É.
Que é
Vamos
rápido.
ter
Salas e escritórios quartos.
a pré-instalação e as máquinas também é